quick and easy brow tutorial using gel liners. Hi guys, Cykaniki here. Welcome back to this channel. So again, we're here again. Start from the tail of your brows as what I'm doing in this video, and then tracing the lower part of your brow is also essential. The same technique that we used in our previous video, but we're using different products so that you will be able to see the difference on how I did my brows using all these products. And then outline the upper part of the brow and fill in the middle as usual. And then after filling everything, blend everything with a spoolie or a brush. So as usual, blend first the middle part and then the tail, and then whatever's left on your spoolie or brush, use it to color the inner part of your brows. So just like that, super easy. And again, if you're going to use concealer to clean the edges of your brows, it's really an optional. If you're happy with the without the concealer, it's okay. But if you want to have more precise, cleaner edges of your brows, you can use concealer to clean it or emphasize the edges of your brows. Don't forget to blend the concealer, and then voila. Always take time, and then have a great day. God bless. Saranghe. Enjoy your snatch brows.